I want to explain how to use web page pandusgeorgia.com. This is project with Georgia Without Barriers, online map for disabled persons who use wheelchairs. On the main page you can see hotline email address info@pandusgeorgia.com and hotline mobile phone. On menu bar you can see information about main page, about the project. In about the project you can read about the project and also watch videos advertising the project. In information pages, we have some subcategories: site rules, news, advocating, blog, useful things. In contact, we have contact information and also online email form. Select city and search. This all categories serve to search place or object on the map. So I will explain how to use it. We have to zoom in the map because in such zoom we can't switch between categories. We have zoom in. So now we can select city, for example Tbilisi, and now you see that it is given with its objects. But map keeps the zoom and we are just switching to this city we are looking. This is in case we know what we are looking for or on what place. But if you are looking for one streets, here we write street name Tbilisi, Ilya Chavchavadze. Here it is given. Ilya Chavchavadze Avenue. We can look at Ilya Chavchavadze Avenue with its objects. When we are clicking on object, it gives us full information about this object. To find some objects, we have two different. Here is categories and subcategories organizing these objects, for example. And on the right side, we can see the list of the objects. When we are clicking on one object, it gives us full information. We are given full information clicking on the map, on the icon, or on the picture in the right side menu. In full information, we are given such kind of info. Government of Georgia, for example, it has 0 level. Also, it has pandus. It is with good sizing. We don't know information about lift. Is it engaged so you can enter there or no? So we have painted it red. Center room, medical room, sitting room. We don't have information about these two. Maybe they don't have such rooms. And they are agreed to help you when you go there. Here's a picture of pandus, how you can go to the entrance. We are given address, web page, email address, and telephone, mobile, or city. Here is category sign, in which category we can look at the subject, and additional information if we have here. If you are the owner of the object or user of the object, you can add any information or edit changes to this information. With clicking edit object info. Here you write what information you want to change there. Etc. And send. Information is sent. After administrator will see your information, he will check if it is true and adds to this object. So you can change any information of the object. just clicking on one button. You can also add new objects on our map. Of course, you are sending information to administrator, but it has it. You have to click on add new object. For example, you want to find add some object in Georgia street. Here is the place. For example, it is not here, but it is here. Forward it back. We know that it is in Tbilisi. We have to choose here Tbilisi. Object name. If you can't write it correctly, it is no problem because the administrator will check the corrections and the information about this object. So you have just to enter some information about this object. Finance, contact person, and phone number, and send. You have to enter the correct phone number as administrator will call you and check if you have added the correct information. Let us go to the main page. At the end of the web page, you can see advertising banners and information about the project. Thank you for your attention.